Good morning. Caught ourselves another wonderful morning. I'm going to set trusses today. So, got this gable sheeted. Just need to staple it off a sec. So now I'm marking for the drywall backing. So I'm coming in the width of the gable, which is 1.5 inches. That'll give me 1.5 inches, of course, on the inside of the house for drywall backing. It'll also be what I nail the gable into when it's stood. Here's my piece of backing. This is a perfect place to burn up scrap. I do not have any scrap 2x6 laying around, so pretty much full piece it is then. So typically, I would put my fascia board and everything on before I stand this gable and this truss I'm marking right now, but there's very unconventional fascia. I don't even know what to say. I have to build it out of plywood. It's got just a couple unique features to it that does not allow it to be just a standard 2x fascia board. So now I'm just putting on the kicks so it doesn't slide off the back, and I'm actually going to grab paper and paper where this fascia board goes. Okay, so here we are, going to stand this guy. I just tack these first two together so I can mark my lookouts. It is so nice and calm. Should be no problems standing this. leave this here, I guess. Looks like it's going to be a little stubborn. Doesn't really want to slip into its little groove here. A couple. There it goes. Okay. When it's in there, it actually will hold itself. There it goes. Now we flush here. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and stick a couple staples right in here for now. Okay. And go to where I can reach it over here. So the plywood actually is 1 1/8 inches down on the cap plate. Now I will put a block in here. Now this is where I'm going entirely different from what I typically do. My fascia board would be fastened to this truss with the lookouts, and I would just tip it over top of this. Right, I knew that. We'll redo this. Okay, I will go get another block. One, two, I think. Okay, so this is a traditional. These are 22.5. Go nail those heels over there a minute. Okay, so this will be sheeted. This will be sheeted on the outside here, which will make it look like an exterior wall. Whew.